In the field of area protection and perimeter security, I am the expert. My strength lies in my highly accurate detection capabilities that are not easily fooled by false alarms. Accidental intrusions by neighborhood animals do not faze me or affect my ability to detect real dangers. Day or night, the entry of any human or vehicle within the designated zone will be swiftly detected. My real-time alarm will sound and light up to warn off the intruder. Upon detection of an intrusion, I will immediately capture a snapshot of the scene and upload it to the alarm center or notify the user through the mobile application, so the people in charge can immediately grasp the nature of the situation on site. Aside from superior real-time performance, I am able to sort footage by subject, human or vehicle, which facilitates information retrieval from the massive archive in the back-end. This makes the search process quick and convenient, and greatly reduces labor costs. You must be wondering what makes me smart. I am the star product among the smart IP cameras offered by Hikvision. Hikvision's R&D engineers equipped me with the deep learning algorithm designed for video monitoring purposes. The algorithm was trained in the lab with a myriad of image samples to distinguish humans and vehicles, which are key subjects of video analysis from other objects. In time to come, engineers will keep on improving accuracy rate of the deep learning algorithm in the lab. In the near future, I hope I can detect even more categories of objects and apply my capabilities to more fields. With this technology, I can provide accurate and effective surveillance for perimeters or specific areas of parks, retail outlets, villas, borders, waterfronts, danger zones within scenic areas, construction sites, etc. This will greatly reduce safety risks and avoid potential for accidents in these places. This is me, Hikvision AcuSense camera. See far, go further.